دوستوں آج کے چیلنج اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں اور میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں، لائک کریں اور زیادہ سے زیادہ شیئر کریں۔ چلو آج کے چیلنج اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں، دیکھتے ہیں آج کے چیلنج میں ہمارے پاس کیا ہے۔ سب سے پہلے تم کھولو۔ واو،
Zach, that was a bad idea. I got cactus. Too bad. Well, there's nothing we can do about it. You have to eat it. It's so prickly. I can't even touch it. Oh, I pricked my finger. I told you. I need to come up with something fast. There has to be some way out of this, right? I think I figured it out. I'll give this cactus a little manicure session to trim those prickly nails. Look, Mary, that was pretty smart. I didn't expect that. Well, that's it. Now I can finally eat my cactus. I'm not sure I'm gonna like it, but there's no way out. Ugh, it's so bitter. I will never eat another cactus again, ever. Gosh, I think I'm gonna throw up. I can't swallow this. I'm sorry. Glad that's over. I immediately feel much better. I'm glad you're done. That was disgusting to watch. Now it's your turn, Zach. A sandwich, great! I'm so glad I didn't get any nasty stuff. And look at the shape, it's just perfect. Oh, I almost forgot. Time for me to put on my napkin. That's much better. After all, I have really good table manners. Wish me a bon appetit. Oh, I almost forgot again. It's time to take my silverware. A fork and a spoon will do just nice. Oh, and can't forget the sauce. That goes on top. Can't do without it. Thanks to the ketchup, my sandwich is going to be even more juicy and even more tasty. That looks so appetizing. I wouldn't mind trying some. Why can't I cut this sandwich? I don't understand what's going on. The spoon's probably pretty blunt. The spoon's not the problem, Zach. You are. That's right. Monica's right. Hold him tight. I'll put the sandwich in his mouth. Then we can get this over with finally. Hey, what are you guys doing? This is outrageous! You guys are a bunch of barbarians! Oh, by the way, this sandwich is really tasty. Mary, now it's your turn. An ice cream cone? What a surprise! This is so nice! Don't be in such a hurry, Mary. Look at the shape of those ice cream. They're circles for me. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'll have my meal and then you can eat the cone. No, that's not fair! Hey, what are you doing? Put that ice cream back in its rightful place. No way. I'm gonna turn it into a triangle. Gosh, I'm drooling just looking at it. All right, now the ice cream belongs to me and only me. That was a great plan. I wouldn't have thought of that. I'm sure you wouldn't have, Zach. I'm gonna remember that, Mary. Stop sulking, Monica. This ice cream is all mine. This is so unfair. Let's see what we got. Oh no! Really? Lemon slices? Oh, that's sour.
Baby!
Good thing I didn't get those. Hey, look at that! What a stroke of luck! Fresh, delicious sushi rolls.
I've got it!
I hope I got something delicious too. Oh yeah, chocolate! This is even better than sushi.
Cool.
I have to agree with that. You're lucky. I don't think I want to waste any time. I'm ready to start eating right now. Look at these beautiful pieces. And they're made perfectly of little triangles. How cute! This chocolate just melts in your mouth. I want seconds now. Just let me get rid of the packaging. Now I'm gonna cut it up into pieces. Wow, this is even better than before. But where do I start? Maybe I can get it all in my mouth at once. Hooray, bullseye! I'm a good shot. I came up with a great plan.
Eureka!
That's great, Mary. Now it's time for me to deal with my sushi. Looks like I'm gonna need some chopsticks. Not that I know how to use them, though. Dang it! I can't pick up the sushi. These stupid chopsticks. I wish I could use a fork. They make me so mad. Well, never mind. I'll figure this out. Look, I can poke my rolls. Yummy. You know what? I realized something. It doesn't matter how you eat it. It matters what you're eating.
Kissy, kissy.
And I definitely got lucky. Look, I came up with a great idea. Now I can take a couple sushi rolls at once. I'm a genius. Zach, that really is a good idea. I like it. It makes eating sushi so much fun. And most importantly, delicious. Do you mind if I see for myself? Ow, my teeth. That really hurts. That's it. The light snack is over. Hey, Monica, why are you so upset? Maybe some food will cheer you up? Lemon slices will definitely not cheer me up. Well, I don't know what else to say. You have to eat them anyways. It's best to speed up the process by eating a couple at once. Oh my gosh, that's really sour. I can barely swallow it. My stomach's turning inside out. I can't even control myself. Whoa, those lemons look like they're gonna throw her off balance.
Okay.
My gut tells me something incredible's waiting for us this time. Oh my gosh, I wasn't wrong. I got chocolate. Wow, chocolate. I'd like to try some too. Sorry, Mary. It's a rectangle, so it doesn't fit you. But it's just right for me. There's so many nuts inside. I love nuts and chocolate. Zach, we're best friends. You have to share with us. When it comes to food, friendship takes a back seat. Go ahead, Mary. Oh no! Tell me I'm seeing things. Did I really get stinky cheese? Yeah, you did. And you need to deal with it fast, or else we're all gonna suffocate. I'm not gonna put that in my mouth. If you don't do it yourself, I'll step in. Okay, just don't threaten me. Ugh, that's disgusting. I won't take another bite. All right, I warned you. If that's how it is, so be it. Zach, that's so mean. You should be thanking me. I'm helping you. It's hard to call this help. I'm gonna throw up. Wow, that stinks. It got even stinkier. Monica's right. I can't even breathe. I think a clothespin should help. Oh yeah, that's great. Well, has the stink cleared up? Seems like we can move forward with the challenge. I hope I don't come across anything smelly again. Oh, chips! Super! This is great news. And I got a whole jar of them. Amazing! Looks like we can get rid of the clothespins. Go ahead, Monica. Oh yeah, those chips smell great! And they look great. Look at their shape. Just 1 second. I'm gonna make a perfect circle. Alright, I'm gonna have to work at this a bit, but I already got a plan. I'm sure you guys are gonna be amazed. I have no idea what she's up to. Just be patient. There's just a little bit left.
Wow!
This is the first time I've ever seen something like this.
मैं अपने लेस को खाना स्टार्ट करती हूँ। दफा हो जाए यहाँ से। मैं अपना लेस तुम्हें नहीं दूंगी। मेरा लेस है, मैं इसको खा सकती हूँ आसानी से। यम्मी, बहुत मज़ेदार है ये तो। मुझे मेरा लेस बहुत अच्छा लगा। यस, ये बहुत मज़ेदार लग रहा है। हम भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं। हाँ, चलो दोस्तों, अगले चैलेंज में आपसे मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। इसलिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो कमेंट में मुझे बताएं और आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। ओके, बाय।